Vision Nirvana 16 in the dual axle. We have it in the 3 layouts, the A, B and the C. Today we're going to go through the C layout. Bear in mind we do all these 3 layouts in a hardtop and a pop top. As you can see, our beautiful open outdoor living area with, again, we do keep going into how beautiful this big kitchen is. You can see here this is set at the travel height. What we're going to do now is I'll simply drop this down, bring it down to a more usable height, especially for somebody that is at my challenged height. So we'll just simply drop this down. As you can see, it comes down nicely, both sides. One last drop here. And now everything is very easily accessible for me to reach into here to be able to get out anything I want, and also with the cooking. Let's go inside. Now that step's lower, it's easier for me to step in. Let's go inside and have a look. Standing inside the C in the hardtop, as you can see, we have this enormous amount of cabinetry around the top. Also, beautiful big king bed. We have our table that ejects out from here from a simple button. Plenty of storage underneath. Again, our signature drawers. And in this C, when we turn around here, we have this little bit of bench area. You can put a single induction sitting on here, wake up of a morning, make yourself a coffee. And also, again, we have plenty of storage. The main difference with the C layout is we have this separate shower and toilet. Again, nice, big, open, easy to open doors with our own composting toilet. And this side we have our shower. Our kitchen area here, we have these nice cupboards at the back, easily accessible with these locks here and how they're held together. So when you open it, you can see I still can't pull that open, which gives it really good security while you're traveling. They're not going to pop open. To open these, we simply turn and lift. So, and that can be opened anyway. Plenty of storage at the top here. Again, I'm not the tallest person, but I can easily reach whatever I need to get out up there. Our bench tops, they're commercial acrylic, so we're 100% timber free. Aluminium cabinetry, beautiful big drawers, hot and cold tap and a sink area here. You can put a single induction up on here as well if you're wanting to wake up in the morning and make a cuppa, which is my cup of tea. Again, a fridge here. Nice and easy to get to take out whatever you need. We make our way outside to our outdoor kitchen area. And here we are, we're back outside. So again, just a quick refresh. This is our 16-foot in a dual axle. We do it in layout A, B and C, which is this one here. The C has got the separate shower and toilet. Available in pop top and hardtop. Pop down and see us at the dealership and we'll be able to go through all these great vans with you.